Hello everyone, this is John from JB. Today is Wednesday, 23rd December. Okay, next today will be a Christmas day. There will be no markets in Malaysia. So today market up by 18 points. It's not closing yet. It's nearly about 4 p.m. at this moment. KLCI is 1650 at this moment, rebounding from the last few days and last week pullback. So let's have a look on the KLCI indexes. So this one is the KLCI index. I did update some market closings review on the telegrams. So in order to feeding the more prompt updated info, I have created a new telegram public channels for investors. If you're willing to join, you are welcome to join the telegram channels. There's no charges at all. It's free of charge. So you may look for the JT market news. You can search in the telegram JT market news, or you can type in John Tan market news. John Tan market news. John Tan market news. So this one is the link. So definitely the disclaimer, I have to go through the disclaimer as well for the telegram channels. The channel is free of charge. There's no charging at all. It's free. So I'm providing some market news and research houses topics from today, and the info serving in the channels doesn't serve as buying or selling recommendations to all subscriber or investors. So subscriber or investor has to be treat the info as an educational purpose only. So always mind your risks. Okay, if you're joining, meanings that you are all right with the disclaimer. So let's go back to the okay, let's go through the channels. Okay, in fact I did update some detail right over there. Let's go to the most recent one. This one is the posted yesterday closing. So because I'm busy last few days, I'm away, so I'm not in the markets. I only managed to update the markets through the telegram channels. So this one is the update. Overnight dropping 15 points, closing at 1631. So I did mention on the same day as well, which is yesterday, late afternoon. I think it's around 3 to 4 p.m. something. I did update the KLCI index. So I did mention that the KLCI has been pulling back from the 1695, pulling back last week, and the dropping 20 over points at the middays, and the loser is more than 1,000 stocks. Okay, so normally there are many rookie investors, beginners. They come into the markets. They are very scary on this day, specific on this day, which is yesterday. Market drop very fast. So because the loser outnumbers the gainers, so many people will get panic these days. So that's why I posted these things, especially in my private channels to my subscriber. So I did mention that I'm still positive in the markets. So maybe I'm wrong, but yet I'm still positive to the markets. So I did mention that many people will tend to choosing side on yesterday. So many people will decided to sell off everything then because they are panics for the markets, specifically yesterday, which is 22nd December. So I did mention that some of the things like holding power is the key of investment. Okay, after you join these channels, I mean this one is the public channels, you can go through this holding power story, which is very interesting. You can go through it. So I hope it can help you. Okay, we go back to earlier message. Okay, critical support 1620 on the same day as well. This one is the info. And I did mention many stock hitting support level positioning, so which means that you need to get ready to step in. So yesterday, this one is yesterday. So this one is the earliest post. The public channel I just created today. So I hope this can help more investors in their investment journey. Okay, so this one is the closing for 21st December. I did posted the update reviews. I try my best to update the reviews at the closing markets after the closing market sessions. So you can have a look. There's some education as well. When the market forming some candlesticks, I did update some educational candlesticks, what the meanings by the Hirami, because on the specific day on 18 December, so we can see that the daily and the daily candlestick charts is forming a 3 back row, At the same time, last week, it forming a weekly bearish tsunami. So it's showing a reversal trending last week. So that's why I did mention that this week might be lowering. It happened yesterday. It happened. So consider it's quite a good signal for you. I mean, if you did follow the channels, you did go through something like end of day market review, you can have a look from here. Okay, there are a lot of things I did posted. All these posts has been dated is 23rd because I just created the channels today. So I just forwarded from the private channels. So I did mention that we did have 3 bear candles on the 17th on last week. So there will be a period of the patient testing periods. So you need to be more patient if you are in the markets. Okay, so you can have a look. I won't explain all the posting right here. So you feel free to join in John Tan Market News in the Telegram channels. It's no charges, no fee imposed. Okay, feel free to join in. Okay, let's have a look today market news. Since I've been explaining that the posting like yesterday, I did mention that holding power. So I'm still positive. So that's why today when all the stock has been testing the support level, many stock testing the support level. I'm encouraging investor to go in, to positioning more into the markets. Okay, let's go back to the KLCI indexes. So I did mention the strong support level will be somewhere around 1620. Where's the 1620? If you follow the post on 26 November, I did mention the potential upsides right here. So today, if today managed to closing right now, I would say let's say closing about 20, how many points? 17 point. Maybe the more the better, of course. If you able to manage to close above more than 18 point, maybe 18 point, will be a bullish engulfing candlestick right here. So we are forming continuously uptrend. Okay, so the reversal could potentially comes in today. Okay, let's have a look on the sum of the stocks. So the stock that I mentioned in this video doesn't serve as a stock picks. Please get some advice from the research house professionals. Go and check their fair values, all those things. You need to do some research if you are buying in any stock. So the stock mentioned in this video doesn't serve as a stock picks. So let's have a look on the some stock. Okay, many people like Asia. Let's have a look. Technical analysis. So where is the support level recently? So it's very obvious where is the support level. Support resistance is very easy to draw. So right here. So the highest level will be serving as the support level. So over here it comes back, then bullish engulfing come in. So you can start to draw a line. Okay. So rebounding is expecting. We'll see next few days. Can we have a strong trending coming on? Okay, let's say what else. Recently there's what they call property counter is also spiking up. Let's have a look on the properties. SP30 is right on very strong trending. So you can see the resistance is still on top 110, around 110 level. So it may experience some pullback. Okay, so after hit here, you'll be pulling back a bit. So only you're resting for a while first. Before it moving upward backs. So you can monitoring all these counters. EcoWorld, technical analysis. Okay, EcoWorld, interesting. It's still not testing the resistance yet, but there's still a gap of nearly about 58 to 60 cent resistance level. So there's a potential upside for the resistance level. So let's zoom out, see what can we see right here. So okay, the strong resistance is obviously at 60 cent level. Let's draw a line right here. So okay, since we are unable to minimize more, we go for the longer time frame, which is weekly chart. Adjusted this one is adjusted chart because they go through some, I believe it's right issue. So zoom in back a bit. we go back to non-adjusted. Normally, I prefer non-adjusted chart. If there's nothing go through the right issue or bonus issue, non-adjusted will be my preference. So 60 cent, let's draw some line right here. Once it's break, the next resistance will be somewhere around 80 cent, which is a very interesting, huge potential upside. I mean, the volume is quite attractive on a weekly chart. It's very, very attractive. Of course, every time you're buying in any counter, you need to have some risk management. Where is your cut loss level? You need to protect your capitals. Okay. Next, what else counter you like? Post maybe. Post. All these are small and mid caps. It's very interesting. Small and mid cap is potentially performing more better comparing to the big cap counters because it's very cheap at this moment. So I'll go for non-adjuster. I draw some line on the resistance. We also can pull it over to match the resistance. Okay, so we zoom out. We see what we can get. So what if it can break 120? It will be a 135, about 135 for next level. Okay, let's have a look on the weekly charts, which is very interesting. Low. If you did check back my previous recent video back into November, December, all this while, I did mention how do you see stocks potential. You don't see the chart in the short terms like daily charts. You may need to zoom out to see a bigger pictures like weekly chart, monthly chart, all those things. Okay. Okay, MBSP, yep. Okay, let's have a look. MBSP is pulling back as well. Very seriously pulling back to the support level. It's very obvious. This one support level is somewhere around here. So the highest level of this level will be support level. It come back to pull and bounce off the support level. Let's zoom up a bit, see longer data. So let's say it already tested for another resistance level, which is around 75 cents. We draw another line. So it come back here, it drop back. So let's say it managed to, it might be trading within the range of 6.5 or 7.5 level. It may testing within this range. So it will take a bit of time because it's quite similar to cup and handles formations. When it pull back, the volume is drying out. So when it's managed to recover, comes to 75 cents and it breaks with a volume. When it breaks 75 cents with a volume, it will go stronger. So the simple projection will be 10 cents. So from here, we project from here will be 85 cents. Projection will be 85 cents next level. If it managed to break 75 cents, it's very clear, right? Let's have a zoom out for the weekly chart for MBSP. So it's dropped a lot. Do you see it interesting? I see it's very interesting. I would say it's very attractive. Okay, next. Okay, I think that's all for today. I don't want to spend too much time for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Welcome to join my channels. Subscribe my YouTube channels. Click the subscribe button and like my videos. And also you can join my public Telegram channels as well. John Tan Market News. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Goodbye.